Say she run up on the roof. When she get it, she go. Try.
What's up, you? What's up, you? What's up, you? What's good, YouTube? It's a boy. It's a boy. Harry Vlogs. AKA the reaction boss. I want back in effect people with another. You know what that go. Boom! What's good, YouTube? It's a boy Tyrekevlogs, aka the reaction boss. I'm back in effect with another reaction for you guys. Yo, Grenada, what go on? Big up on yourself, state speed. I don't know what's happening. Like up the video, comment on the video. Let me say, we want 1,000 likes on the video right now. You don't know what's happening. Subscribe to the channel if you guys are new. And if you guys are from Grenada, you know, subscribe it. You understand? It's the first video for me. I have a lot more Grenada reactions on the channel that you guys need to check out and support the Grenada artists them. But also support me by subscribing to the channel. So I have more viewers to put more, you understand me, more Caribbean music to the ears. Yes, and on the channel that people, we have music from some place. People, in a 1 year, Mr. More music. In a 1 year, Mr. More music. In a that means it's the entire my entire life. You understand me? I try to show you. I expose myself to so much different music, dog. So much different artists, dog. Let's check out your channel, people. Tyrekevlogs, reaction boss. I don't play with people. Anyways, okay, so what go on? Song called Roof by Triple. Been a spam with it. Been a recommended Triple. Big up yourself. You don't know what's happening. The viewers them run out for you. You see me, I say, I see the on Instagram and thing, but the viewers them run out. So, reaction done. Big up yourself. Run tune! Pull up with all the axe here.
Yo dog, Triple, what you saying, boy? I pull up. Yeah, true.
Torture. Make us see what go on, come and close to the camera. Go on.
Cheese.
Brad one. She now go let me just see that big old bumbuckly little girl. How will you get them breasts there from? How where she get them breasts there from? You don't see them breasts there a while ago? I some bitch breasts them there. Them breasts are some big. Hey! No! Big woman! Big woman! And where you get them titty there from? And where you get the body there from? And where she get the body there from? No! Where you get the body there from? Triple me to get them one. Tell you no more. Go on! Yeah.
My phone a ring.
No! And my phone a ring! Triple! Where you get them girl from? Reaction boss want one of them right now. No! Don't ramp. Go on!
She just a call. Yeah, so she really honey. She want me over.
You see how far she didn't make a call? She really honey. Triple, go on. Me like the video already, Triple. No, go on. Your video happen. The girl them hot. The lyrics are sharp and the song just start. You have get a call and say them honey. You are a general youth.
Ain't got honey. No, I know that they granny. Drink up the mango blending it.
Yeah, youth. Drink it up. Strong back for them. Go up. Rock solid for them blood cleat. Hey, hold on there. Wow. But like that. Go on.
Girl, I carry why me call her break spine. She say a man did him not commit now, so we sign a mother with the homicide.
How was she do? A while ago? And round, me she shake up. Round. I'm like, for this, when anyone come down, she got up. Round. More class. Take something of yourself. But
say she run up on the roof. When she get it, she go. Try. Ram it up in the bush. When me smoke.
Go on.
Kush, kush. I never make up. Baby, me get no stush.
The dog have a hole. Yeah, get it to the youth. The dog have a hole. Oh my word. Oh my word. Hold on, I think a guy in a triple forward from me now. Hold on, the pause. Come there, start talk about Grenada all along, you know. A Grenada, I mean, a Grenada. A Grenada. Because I let me the mistake the pan them, you know. But dog, next in line, she also had a cry. And then the computer say, next in line, I hear time for get sort out now. Go on!
Yeah, they walk up on the roof. Right now. Me and the girl, them skiller. And we not.
No, me and the girl them skiller. Yeah, the girl. But dog, that video happen. If you don't watch the full video without me pausing it and giving my reaction, which you click on the video for now. Link to the original video will be down below in the description of my video. You understand what I said to you? You know that. Go. Alright, go on.
Thump up the pussy like, oh, Mayweather. Get the girl in at the right time. 7 figure, to the right.
The dog saying beat up the pum pum like, who? But he keep this and say, who? And skip to the next bar, right? No. Who? My beat up like Mayweather. You know that go? You know, no. I don't like how that area look. I not like told me. I looking at the camera and I say, you just show me up so that like level the bomb buckley vibes, man. Sure, alright. But go on.
Yeah, she just a goggle it, on the floor bubble it. She start juggle it, cause she want all of it.
That girl ain't gonna let me get sick, dog. Woo! People, them man never green. They just need the eyes. My camera are dead. Blood clean. My camera are dead. Camera are dead. No, my camera are dead. Go on.
Me set up on the right, cause she want the proper heights.
Yeah.
Just like the rafter, run it up in the.
But now I go force the people. Check out video for yourself if you want to check it out. As I say, it's been a boy Tyrekevlogs. You know what I mean? Big up on yourself. Thanks for watching. Anytime my camera there, I try show no. For nothing say me I try end the video. You understand me? So look for yourself. The camera is deading right there, as you can see. You know, it's gonna lock off right now. So it doesn't make sense. I continue to record while the camera is gonna close off. So big up on yourself. Thanks for checking out the video. Link to the original song will be down below in the description of this video though. So I say, so let's go check him out. Make him with the reaction bar. Send over there so. I try to talk for the video 8 minutes. I'm reaching 8 minute marker. So big up on yourself. It's been a boy Tyrekevlogs. Bap. What's that lock off yet? I want to see how long you really can go before it lock off still, but peace.